The Great Smoky Mountains. This is Asheville. Our cabin was nestled below the mountains. Such a cozy place. The vibes and the energy was great. And we're off for an adventure. Hiking, fishing, meditating, exploring nature. This is what we do. The roaring rivers and cool breeze. This place felt like paradise. The nomads are all about experiencing nature up close and taking all the beauty of nature. Yeah. We even ventured to the medicine man's house to learn about natural medicines and the healing powers of organic herbs. That was an amazing experience. And now we're off to Mount Mitchell and to hike up Chimney Rock. Make sure you come on an adventure with us.